I was arguing on principles that lawyers and legislators should know that the person cannot be held liable for mere thoughts, imaginations, or associations without an overt act. That is a legitimate argument in any constitutional discussion, criminal or constitutional discussion. Pero kagaya ng sinabi ko, the analogy might have been in bad taste and were taken in the wrong context. Ilang beses ko na rin sinabi na that was precisely the point that I wanted to make. That at times, statements are taken out of context. Ngunit kagaya ng sinabi ko, at maraming beses ko na rin inulit, there was no malice intended. And if there was malice deduced from that statements, I wish to apologize dun sa mga natamaan at nasaktan.